Okay, we're in the Anytone 878 software, and you see right there I have NOAA Weather 1. It's 16255. Gonna go copy, paste. Gonna double click on that. If you click right there like that, the next frequency is 4000. So there's no need to enter it all in. Just double click a couple times and the icon will change. And we're going to call that Weather 2, which it is. And then we're going to go down here, hit OK, and we have Weather 2 into the software. So it's a quick, easy method to change frequencies when you're programming in things like, say, FM repeaters or scanner frequencies. In this case, I have the transmit frequency in there because I don't know why. In case something ever happened, life and death situation, you're allowed to transmit on all frequencies, but normally you would just put the receive frequency in and leave the transmit frequency blank. Hope that helps you out, guys.